I have tried and failed miserably earlier today to give the top 25 of my 100 blog articles. I'm going to do it in a different way now. I'm just going to give you an idea of what's in my blog that can help you. I've got a good article on the nuts and bolts of family court, another one on West Virginia insurance coverages, two of them on why you're crazy to be your own lawyer. In fact, I have a third article that gives 10 dire results of cases that I've had to try to clean up after where terrible things happen because people were their own lawyers. I write one called Mediation Madness, explaining the system of mediation in West Virginia and Central West Virginia. I tell my clients how to organize their case. I talk about scumbags and the death penalty, which is one of my favorites, which has no practical value to anybody. I have the one, But Grandma Loved Me Best, about wills and estates and insurance controversies, how to be a good husband, how to be a good wife, how to prepare if you think there might be a divorce in your future, short-sighted and disingenuous lawyers, how to communicate with the person you're divorcing, the basics of personal injury claims in West Virginia and the comparative fault rule in West Virginia, what to do and what you can claim if you've been injured by a negligent driver, that is somebody who broke the rules, how to deal with social media and protect yourself if you're a personal injury claimant or a person going through a family law case, how you can modify the parenting plan that's already in effect and already court ordered, and what are the rules about that. I have a table of contents of my blog printed in my blog, and I'm going to do that again here recently. I have one about step-parents and significant others, boyfriends, girlfriends, and how they and intrusive and NIBBY family and friends can add terribly to the problems of a divorce. Just think Hatfields and McCoys and you'll know what I mean. Finally, I do talk about why persons should retain me in certain kinds of cases. I talk about subrogation claims that insurance companies assert and take a big chunk out of a personal injury settlement. In other words, what I'm talking about is practical, informative, I think helpful, and if I can do it with a little bit of humor and a little fun for myself, so be it. Anytime you have a question, get on my website, send me the question. I will answer it usually within an hour or two, almost always within 24 hours. It's been a pleasure doing these videos, and I thank you for your attention.